Welcome back to Best App TV. I'm Alex. Today I'm going to introduce a magical machine to all of you. It's the Ricoh RI100 Direct-to-Garment Printer, and this is the RH100 finisher. It's the best partner of RI100. The printer can print your pictures on t-shirts, sweatshirts, polo shirts, tote bags, and other 50 to 100% cotton fabrics. And the finisher can iron the fabrics, fix the print-out colors, and dry the inks. They come with so many possibilities for you to personalize and create. Only 5 minutes, you will get your own unique t-shirt. Now, let me show you how to personalize one. The t-shirt I choose is a white one. I recommend light color t-shirts because the light base colors can present the best print-out colors without any color difference. Now I'm going to put the t-shirt on this A4 sized tray. I need to open it first. I want my image to be a vertical one. I want it to be printed right on the middle of the t-shirt. Here is a little tip. You can see the two R lines on the tray, and one is vertical and one is horizontal. I need to fold the t-shirt in half first and put it along the R line with the top facing the letter R. The printer will print from the top to the bottom. Then unfold the t-shirt. To prevent the inks from staining the next layer, I need to put an A4 card paper inside the t-shirt. Now I can tuck in the t-shirt and close the tray. This printing area is the right middle part I want. Then I need to set the time and the temperature of the finisher. Turn it on first and press the temperature button to choose low or high mode. And if you want to set the number directly, long press the temperature button. Then you can adjust the number by pressing temperature button and the fixing time button. Then press stop or unlock button to save the setting. The recommended temperature is 170 degrees Celsius, and it's the same for setting time. The recommended time is 3 minutes. After all the settings, press preheat button to start heating. The temperature I just set is for ironing the t-shirt, drying the inks, and fixing the colors after printing. And the time I set is just for drying the inks. We don't need to set the ironing and the color fixing times because it is fixed. The default time is 30 seconds. Now I need to iron the t-shirt. When the finisher has warmed up to 170 degrees Celsius, put the tray into the finisher and push the handle to left to iron the t-shirt for 20 seconds in order to get rid of all the little creases. Now it's smooth and ready to print, so I'm going to insert it into the printer. Now it's the software operation. Ricoh has this software that is very easy to operate. I am a machine starter, so I will select the Easy Designer mode. Select the garment type and thickness. Then choose the image size and orientation. Portrait image is vertical, landscape image is horizontal. Then click Prepare Garment. I have set the tray already, so I just move on to select the image. Here are the 3 ways to upload your image, so I will choose the third one to upload from my phone. It's very simple. All I need to do is to open my Chrome browser and scan the QR code on the computer. Now I can select the image from my phone. Once you upload the image, you will receive a PIN code. Enter this PIN code. You can see the picture now is on the computer. I can resize and edit the picture right now. Then click Print to send the instruction to the printer. When the printer tells you to press the Start key, do as it told. The printing time is about 2 minutes. After printing, I need to take out the tray and insert it into the finisher to dry the inks for 3 minutes. Push the handle to right to start drying. Then push the handle to left to iron the t-shirt for fixing the printout image to improve its color fastness. The t-shirt needs to be ironed for at least 90 seconds. So I need to push the handle for 3 times because the default time is 30 seconds. Now it's done. The tray is very hot right now, so you need to be very careful when taking it out. Hold the green part of the 2 ends and take out the tray very slowly. The t-shirt looks really good. The picture quality is excellent and the colors are beautiful. The design is very color fast since it is printed on the t-shirt, and it doesn't change the texture of the t-shirt, still very soft and comfortable. With Ricoh RI100, you will get your own one-of-a-kind fashion style. Why not give it a try? Try this magical machine and try this magical printing experience.